Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening both workbooks and confirming they're saved in reliable locations. This prevents broken links later. Once done, inspect headers and data types so Excel can match values accurately. Next, choose a unique key column, ID, SKU, or email, because you'll use it to link rows. Make sure there are no duplicates or leading/trailing spaces. Use trim or remove duplicates if needed. Now that keys and structure are confirmed, you're ready to create live connections. You'll use Power Query to import both sheets as tables. This gives clean, refreshable links. Once imported, perform a merge queries operation and select your key column in each table. Choose left join to keep all primary rows or inner join to keep only matches. After merging, expand the related table and pick the exact columns you want to pull across. This preserves types and avoids formula fragility. Finally, load the merged query back to a worksheet so the combined data updates when source files change. You finish by loading the merged query as a table and set refresh on file open so connections stay current. If you prefer formulas, use XLOOKUP or index/match for row-level pulls, but remember they are less robust than Power Query for large datasets. Once loaded, validate a sample of rows to confirm values. If something's wrong, check for extra spaces, mismatched data types, or duplicate keys. These are the usual culprits. Fix those, refresh the query, and your linked spreadsheets will align.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.